Hi, my name is Tanya, and today I will show you how to easily edit upcoming chats in your LyfQuest platform. So starting from the left navigation menu, select the Client tab. When selected, you will be presented with a client page. There will be times when you will need to modify a chat, an upcoming chat for a client. So here are the steps to do that. We're going to click on a client's profile. And over here, to the right, you will see upcoming chat, and we'll click on that. Now, if your upcoming chat shows you options where you can customize, this is an autoresponder that you have previously set up. So you can hit customize, and you can add documents or tasks from your computer or from your resources file. You can delete the one that's there. You can change your message, the date you want the chat to be sent on, and the time. And again, you can skip this totally, or you can send it now. And again, this, because you are able to customize, this is an autoresponder that was previously set up. If you select an upcoming chat and it does not allow you the option to customize, then it is not part of an autoresponder and is a regular chat. You can also update the message or the time. So you can add documents or tasks from your computer or your resources folder. You can delete what's already there. You can update your message, change the date and the time that it's sent, and then just save it, and it will be updated. Now, you can also go to your chat page and select your client. And here, if you hover over the title, you will see a little finger that will allow you to select that. And from your chat window, you can, again, customize and make changes to your upcoming chat. And the same for one that's not an autoresponder, you can come here and make changes as well. These are the two locations where you can make changes to an upcoming chat. So thank you for watching, and check out our YouTube channel for more useful tutorials for setting up a successful LyfQuest platform.